This is step one. What you want to do is you want to have the A, B and C pieces. You want to slot this into here, and the same on the other side. And you want to have it so that the circles here are on this side, whereas the metal ones are on this side, because this is where the headboard is going to slot in. Step 2, you should have pieces you assembled earlier, as well as 2 D pieces and an E piece. The E piece will go on the top of it, right here, so where you can see the pre-drilled holes, it should align with that. As for the D pieces, they will go not on the next one, but the next one, but down. And the next one. For step 3, we're going to be connecting the feet to the frame. You want to take this so that it's an L shape. It will connect in here, and the C piece will connect in here. You want to make sure that the screws holes are aligned on this side, and that the holes here are facing towards the headboard. This is step 4. We're going to be attaching the frame to the headboard. So this is step 5. We're going to start with the J pieces. These are the middle feet of the bed. For step 6, we're going to put the slats on. Before you put the mattress on, don't forget to peel these off so that the mattress doesn't slide.